ביאור משנה ג' נטל את הדם, he takes the blood. So this is after עבודת הקטורת. לאחר עבודת הקטורת, after he did the incense like we explained in משנה ב' and משנה א'. כשסיים הכהן הגדול את תפילתו הקצרה, when he made his short prayer, יצא ונטל את מזרק הדם. He went out of the היכל to take the blood, to take the cup with the vessel with the blood. ממי שהיה ממרס בו. Remember, there was another Kohen continuously mixing it. מידו של אותו כהן, so he's taking it from the hand of that Kohen, שהיה בוחשו כל הזמן שלא יקרש, that used to mix it so it doesn't become congealed. נכנס למקום שנכנס. And he goes back all the way to the same place he was in the Holy of Holies when he was but you remember when he was putting the incense? He goes all the way back there.
The blood.
Did we with the blood now he's going in. Not with the incense, now he's going with the blood.
Oh, he didn't take it.
Now he's taking it.
Just the blood.
תחילה, היינו לקודש הקודשים. He goes into the Holy of Holies. ועמד במקום שעמד. And he stands in exactly the same place where the incense was. בשעת ההקטרה. היינו בין הבדים. In the middle, between where the ark was, or in the second temple, where the stone is. והיזה ממנו מן הדם באצבעו. And now he's going to sprinkle from the blood, באצבעו, אחת למעלה, הזעה אחת למעלה, once to the top, ושבע הזעות למטה, and 7 down. We're going to explain soon. שנאמר, where does he take it from? Because this is the verse. It says, ולקח מדם הפר, it says he should take from the blood of the bull, והיזה באצבעו על פני הכפורת, and he's going to sprinkle with his finger against the top of the ark, קדמה, to the east. And then it says, לפני הכפורת יזה 7 פעמים מן הדם באצבעו. And before the כפורת he's going to sprinkle 7 times from the blood with his finger. ולמדו מפי השמועה, and they learned from Moshe, שמה שכתוב ויזה באצבעו על פני הכפורת, that the first time it says he's going to sprinkle with his finger on the ark, היינו הזעה אחת. That means 1. מלבד 7 הבאות הזעות נזכרות אחריה, besides the 7 other ones that are mentioned afterwards. So let's see what he takes. He used to go to put his finger into the cup with the blood, and the first one he used to go up like this.
Oh, like this?
Up. Yeah, that's up.
Or not like forward?
No, up. It wasn't on, if even it was the ark, it wasn't on the ark, it was against the ark, facing it. Oh. It didn't go on it. It's going to go on the floor. So he goes up once and then 7 times. Each one.
So 12
yeah, that's right. So the first one is towards the top and all the other 7 down.
7 down. Altogether 8.
ולא היה מתכוון לעזות, לא למעלה ולא למטה. And he didn't have the intention to sprinkle not up and not down. What does it mean? כלומר, לא היה מתכוון לעזות הזעה ראשונה על חודה העליון של הכפורת. He didn't mean to sprinkle the ark itself. ושבע הזאת של אחריה למטה על עובייה של כפורת. So you would think what it meant is that the sprinkling, the first one should go on the top, and then the second one should go on the edge. He says, no. שלא על הכפורת נפל הדם, אלא על הארץ. It wasn't on the ark itself, or on the covering of the ark. It was on the floor itself. It was against the ark, not on the ark. Just like it says in Soita, when a woman חולצת הנעל, she says, וירקה בפניו, and she spit in his face. Not in his face, in front of him. So same thing here, לפניו means in front.
הרבה שואלים אותי, איך היורקים לו בפנים? זה לא, זה בפניו, לא בפנים שלו.
אלא כמצליף. It was like a מצליף. What's a מצליף? כמי שמרים ידו להצליף, like somebody who picks up his hand to do this motion. So he did this motion. הוא מפורש בגמרא, and he explains in the Gemara, כשהוא מזל למעלה, מצדד גב ידו למטה, when he's מזל למעלה, when he's sprinkling up, גב ידו goes to the bottom, so he goes like this. הוא מזה כלפי מעלה. and then go like, that's right. ובאופן שהאדם עולה למעלה באוויר שנגד חודה העליון של הכפורת עם משם נופל לארץ. So it goes up the blood and then it goes back to the ground. וכשהוא מזה למטה, and when he is going to sprinkle down, the 7 other ones, מצדד גב ידו למעלה, then the back of his hand is to the top, ומזה למול פניו, אחת גבוהה ואחת בנמוך, הימנה וכולם נופלות על הארץ. So he goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, he goes each one, he dips each one. כלומר, שהיה מזה הזעה אחת בהרמת היד מלמטה למעלה. ו7 הזעות בהורדת היד מלמטה למעלה. So one was going this way, and the other 7 goes this way. ובברטנורה מבאר, ברטנורה explain, כמצליף, כמלכה הזה שמתחיל בין הכתפיים ויורד למטה, כך היה מתכוון שיש 8 הזעות הללו בארץ כשורה זו תחת זו. So he wanted it to be 7, you can see 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the ground. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Whatever it was. וכך היה מונה. And this is how he used to count. את הזעות. He used to say, when he used to get the up one, he used to say, אחת. And then he sprinkled the up one. היינו הזעה למעלה. And then he's now doing 7 down. So you would say, why doesn't do 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Because he's going to get confused. We're going to see why. אחת ואחת, then the first one down is called 1 and 1. עם כל הזעה שלמטה, היה מונה גם את ההזעה הראשונה שלמעלה. So when he used to go down, he used to count the one up. So because otherwise he gets confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I count the first one? Or the first one was with it? It wasn't with it? Do I need to make 8 now? So now he knows. 1, אחת ואחת is down. אחת ושתיים, he needs 7 down. That's what it means. Yeah. אחת is almost like saying down 1, down 2, down 3. אחת ושתיים, אחת ושלוש, אחת וארבע. So he goes 1 and 1 and 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 1 and 7. הטעם שהיה מונה עם כל אחת, the reason why he used to count with each one, גם את ההזעה שלמעלה, also the sprinkling of up, מבואר בגמרא, it explains in the גמרא, שלא יטעה בהזעות. So he's not going to make a mistake. שמא ישכח וימנה הזעה ראשונה מיכל השבע. He can think that the first one, he remember, I counted 1. Now he doesn't remember, was it the 1 for the 7 or was it the 1 for the 1? יצא, then what happens? יצא הכהן גדול מקודש הקודשים, then the high priest goes out from the Holy of Holies, והניחו את המזרק עם דם הפר, and then he places the cup, the vessel with the blood of the bull, על הקן הזהב שבהיכל. There was a stand, a golden stand in the heichal, right next to the curtains. So that stand was for that. So you take the cup, he went outside of the curtains, and he put it on the stand. והוא מקור מוכן לכך, and this was a stand that was ready for it, להניח עליו את המזרק. It was a special place for that.